for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video, guys. Bye. So, guys, when I was out here in Ashland, I met UP Dave from Virtual Railfan.
Hello, everybody. UP Dave. Hope everyone's having a great time.
Yep.
We're having fun out here. Got to meet my new friend. Thank you for introducing me to yourself.
Yep.
And putting me on the camera. Bye-bye, everybody.
Yep.